Hello everyone, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 9 divided by 5 divided by 15 divided by 9. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more video. So let's start. Firstly, we can write it as parentheses 9 divided by 15 parentheses divided by parentheses 15 divided by 9. Okay student, now in next step I can write it as 9 divided by 15 is okay divided by 15 divided by 9. Okay, I hope you all are understand from here. So according to the rule of KCF, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip, we can write this fraction is 9 divided by 15 multiply by 9 divided by 15. Okay, now 9 nines are 81 divided by 15 15s are 2025. Okay, now if you can simplify this, then the answer is 9 divided by 25. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere student you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.